Well, I got the sub in the basement. We're going to have to put it back in here. I took it out when we went off-roading because I had all my tools back here, which fortunately we did not need any of them. But with that said, we'll put it back in after we get this installed. So went with the Kenwood Exelon. This is the KMM-X705 according to Crutchfield. This is going to be a major upgrade. It's going to have all the options for us to dial in our system. Got the pre-wired wiring kit and our dash kit with a new antenna cable. So hopefully we're going to pull that guy out, not have a complete bird's nest. Slap this in and have our system working perfect. All right, go ahead and start off by removing your negative terminal, mainly so your truck isn't going to scream at you, but also it's always good to just disconnect your battery while you're working on electronics. Either way, slam that guy down. Carefully pop your dash free. Try not to break anything. It definitely can be easy to break something on old plastics like these. Just take your time. You're gonna have a plug on your full drive if you are full drive, and then over here on your light switch, grab your flathead. Can pop it free. Super simple. Drop your steering wheel down as much as possible, and then you can finagle this guy out. Like that. Same deal, flathead, push the tab in as you lift, and it should come right out of there. There we go. And we'll just set this aside for the time being. All right, now we're gonna push these guys down and see what kind of rat nest we're gonna have to deal with. Hopefully nothing is too crazy spliced. Let's take our speaker wires out. Can remove our antenna wire. And then here we have a bunch of wires, which I don't know what is going on with that. Let's just go ahead and unplug this guy. And I'm gonna have to take the T-tap off that we put on here. Come on, you piece of junk. There we go. All right, old head unit is out. Obviously, we've been going for the old school vibe on this old truck, and so I didn't want to put a big touchscreen in here. So our new head unit is very similar to our old one. It's obviously just a brand new upgraded version. Does not have a CD player in it, so it's much more shallow, but we have the 6-disc CD player thing underneath here, so we can still do CDs if we want to. Either way, let's go ahead, throw our dash kit on here, get it installed. All right, well, we got our new head unit in our old bezel. For whatever reason, even though these look identical, it fit better in the old one, so I just stuck it in there, got it all nice and tight, and we're good to go. So just looking at the back of our old head unit, you'll see right here, SW rear, focus. We flip this around. We now have rear, front, and SW connections right here. So obviously we're gonna be plugging in our speaker wires to the subwoofer connection at the bottom. So now we take our pre-wired wire. It costs like 20 bucks for them to do this. Obviously you can save yourself that money if you just want to go through here and do all the wiring connections yourself, but this is like OEM premium, so I always like to do that. So basically we'll just plug the small end to our head unit, the big end to here, and then I've just got to do a T-tap from right there, which I know not everybody loves the T-taps, into that blue white wire right there, and that's going to be our amp trigger wire. All right, got everything back together. It's looking awesome. I've already gone through and adjusted a lot of the settings, so it is working beautifully. So far, so good. Tuner works, radio reception is good. We do have a aux cable here as well as USB. So now we got to pull down to the basement, throw our sub in here, and see how that's working now. Holy crap. Oh, she weighs a freaking ton. Well, per the usual, it's windy as crap, and we have another issue that has reared its head, but our sub is sounding absolutely killer. Let's check it out. Settings are dialed, head unit is dialed. She sounds freaking amazing. So I'm gonna play a copyright-free, hopefully, song, and we'll turn it up to 25 out of 35. And dude, these deep hits, they're insane. 25. First time hearing this song. Brother. It's insane. I guess somebody's punching me in the back. Dude, it's hitting so freaking hard. I've been playing it quite a lot, so I don't know if it's broken yet, but it's got a couple hours on it at a minimum. Literally everything is jumping. It's so hard to show bass through camera or GoPro or whatever, but dude, trust me, it sounds so good. All right, so like I said, this is definitely louder than Chomper, for sure, without a doubt.
Okay, turn it up to what?
You've heard Chompers like a bunch.
Yeah, kinda.
It's
Not
pretty
really.
decent.
We haven't really, like...
Yeah, all right. Play 25. All right. Wait for it. That's loud, ain't it? I know, the phone. Put it up on the front. Scoot it up some. It literally will like... Don't you hit it. Don't. No. Now the other issue that we got going on, for whatever reason, if I have power going to the driver's side, it will send this into a safe mode, where it will kill power to the door speakers but continue to hit the bass. And I talked to Crutchfield for like an hour. They sent me a huge diagram of things to check. They think that we have some kind of short in the door, which is an old vehicle. Who knows if it's got factory speakers? It definitely could have some kind of short. But if I put everything on the right side, it works perfectly fine, no issues whatsoever. So we're gonna eventually have to tear this door panel apart and see if we can find the issue there. I might have cooked the speaker last time trying to get the sub to come up to power. Could have been on me, could just be an age thing, I don't know. Either way, the freaking Kenwood is putting in work. I am so stoked with it. It looks amazing as well. You can change all the different colors. We've got it on blue, but you can go in here and adjust a bunch of different settings and change it to whatever color you want. It's obviously Bluetooth. You can plug it in with aux or USB. It's got HDMI as well. Bunch of stuff working proper, unlike the other one that was in here. So I'm stoked with it. That's going to be the end of the video. Definitely leave a like if you did enjoy. Subscribe if you're new. Comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next on Denim. And with that said, I'll see y'all in the next video.